it's been crazy. And the best part about it is I'm at that age where my friends are trying to buy their first home and I get to help them during that process. And that's awesome. I love that.
We're the Gillen Group. Put your home in the hands of experts.
Hey guys, Ryan Gillen with the Gillen Group here, team leader here with Kara Jones. And she is the youngest agent on our team, but she's also one of the highest producing agents on our team by far. It's crazy to see what she's done. When did you start real estate?
I started about 3 years ago.
Okay, so you were 20?
Yeah.
Wow. And what made you just go yeah, real estate?
Well, it was something I've always been interested in. My aunt actually owns a ton of rental properties down in Florida. So I'm like, I want to do that. And it seemed to be a lot of fun, so I got into it.
That's awesome. So, really you didn't know what you were getting into that much, but you knew your aunt did well, and you're like, maybe I can do that. So I met Kara, you were a couple months into the business. You had no clue what was going on, but you knew this is what you wanted to do. She came in to interview for an assistant position, an admin role, and I turned her down, but I said, hey, would you like to join our team? Because I don't think you're an admin. I think you're a real estate agent. And it's really
I want to
worked
sell
out.
real estate.
Yeah, she wanted to sell real estate. So so it really worked out well. But it's amazing. Within 3 years, she went from selling essentially no homes to should sell over 30 something homes this year.
Yeah, it's been crazy. And the best part about it is I'm at that age where my friends are trying to buy their first home and I get to help them during that process. And that's awesome. I love that.
When your friends start buying homes, that's so much fun walking through those houses.
Yes.
They're super excited and you can help them with it. You've already bought your first home and you've done that. So you can give your wisdom to them and you know how they feel because you just did that.
Right. And then, it's just great. I get to help them be there every step of the way and then get to hang out in their house afterwards with them.
Yeah.
Super cool.
Yeah, absolutely. So, if you're thinking about using a real estate agent, don't take age into account if they're very knowledgeable. Just because someone's older doesn't mean they know more than Kara.
And honestly, getting into it so young, I'm able to keep up with the market, and I do this full time, so I'm constantly around it. I know what's happening in the market, and I'm staying up to date with everything.
Yeah, you absolutely are. So, to me, she has something that not a lot of people have. She has time. So, because a lot of people have kids and wives or husbands and other responsibilities, essentially you have Alex and
that's it,
Alex in real estate and a little bit of sand volleyball. So, for what I've seen Kara over the past couple of years is going from I'm here to help you with real estate to now I'm a professional and know exactly what I'm talking about. And I'm here to help you with real estate. Right. And so it's been a great transformation to watch her grow. So if you ever have questions at all, Kara can absolutely answer them. And it's really great to have a 23-year-old with a lot of energy on your side.
Love it.
Yeah. So for Ryan and Kara, thanks guys.
Thanks.
We're the Gillen Group. Put your home in the hands of experts.